Hello friends, welcome to Vikas Savant's Academy Vedic Maths. Today is day 21 and today's video is here for you about division in a series of many videos of Vedic Maths. This is another video on division by the number 19. Division by 19. Okay. Division by number 19. Now, are you scared that you will need to remember the table to solve the division by 19? Don't be scared. With Vedic Maths, I promise you, no remembering the tables, not remembering anything, just simple things of maths you need to remember for doing this division, performing this division and getting correct answer. Let's see first example. If I have to divide 4 by 19, we know that the answer will be something 0 point, right? The answer will be 0 point something, isn't it? But how to find out the digits after the decimal point, that we have to know. So for that purpose, what you have to do here is, what is the trick for division by 19 is, you have to do repeated halving of the numerator. Repeated halving of the numerator. Okay. Repeated halving of the numerator. That is what you have to do. Now, how to do the repeated halving, just dividing by 2? That is okay, but you have to use this 10 into remainder plus quotient divided by 2. And now how you will be using that, let's see here. The first is 4 and every time we need to write remainder and quotient. Okay, and this quotient part here will be our answer. Okay, quotient part will be our answer here. So now we are dividing 4, that is we are halving 4. So divide 4 by 2. What do we get? 4 divided by 2. Remainder is 0 and quotient is 2. Now, what is the use of this formula? Now, we have got remainder as 0 and quotient as 2. Let's put it in this formula. What do we get? 10 into remainder is 0 and quotient is 2 divided by 2. This part has become 0. What remains? 2 upon 2. That is nothing but 1. So now we are dividing 2 by 2. So it is nothing but what? We are dividing this quotient now. We are halving. Now new quotient we have obtained, right? 2. What is the method? Repeated halving of the numerator. 4 we have halved and then we got quotient as 2. Now we will take 2 as the numerator and we will make half of that 2. So 2 upon 2, the quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 0. Right? Now we have quotient as 1 and remainder as 0. Let's again put it in the formula. 10 into 0 plus 1 divided by 2. What do we have here? 10 into 0 plus 1 divided by 2. 10 into 0 will be 0. It will be 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon 2. We are dividing here 1 by 2. So what do we get? We are dividing 1 by 2. We will get remainder as 1. Like see here, this way. We are dividing 1 by 2. 2 zeros are 0. What do we get? Quotient as 0 and remainder as 1. Right? Just for understanding I am telling. Okay, this is just for understanding what we are doing here. Then now the remainder is 1 and quotient is 0. Put it in the formula again. So 10 into remainder is 1 and quotient is 0 upon 2. Now this is what, see, if you see this is 1 and 0. So now the number has become remainder as 0 and quotient as 5. Now again take this 5 into 1, sorry, it will be it will be 10 into, what is the remainder now? 0 plus quotient is 5 divided by 2. Now it is 5 divided by 2. So here we are having 5 divided by 2. What will be having? Remainder as 1 and quotient as 2. Okay, so here we get our answer. So this quotient part, we'll write it down, 21052. So 4 divided by 19 is nothing but 21052. Are you getting it? I'm sure, because it is really easy to understand, and once you practice it, it will be easier for you to practice this method without any doubt. Just put it in the formula and let's see one more example for that to make this method very clear for you. Let's see one more example of it. Now this time let's divide 14 by 19. Let's divide 14 by 19. Here answer is definitely 0 point something, right? And we need to write down remainder, we need to write down quotient, and first number is what? 14. When we half 14, what will we get? What will we get? 14 divided by 2. Remainder will be 0, quotient will be 7. Now your new number is what? 7. Put it in the formula there. What will you have? 10. Remainder was 0. Quotient is how much? 7. Divide by, means by this formula we are obtaining our new numerator. Do you understand? By this formula we are obtaining our new numerator and dividing it by 2. So here now 7 divided by 2. So the remainder will be 1 and quotient will be 3, because 2 3s are 6, right? And 1 will be remainder. Now new number what we have obtained now is 1 and 3. Let's see here. Remainder is 1 and quotient is 3. Divide by 2. So 10 plus 3 is what? We have got 13 by 2. Your new number is what? 13. If we are dividing it by 2, what will get? Remainder as 1 and quotient as 6. Okay. Again, use the formula. What do we have? Remainder as 1, quotient as 6 and divide by 2. 10 multiplied by 1 is 10 plus 6, that is 16 by 2. It is divisible, so remainder will be 0, quotient will be 8. Remainder will be 0 and quotient will be 8. Now, quotient, again take that quotient, 10, remainder we have obtained as 0 plus quotient is 8, divide by 2. It is nothing but 8 divided by 2. Remainder will be 0, quotient will be 4. This way, if you want more digits after decimal point, you can calculate it. Okay, so here our final answer for now. Our final answer for now is 0.73684. 0.73684. I hope you liked this trick of division by the number 19 and use it in your calculation. Practice more examples as much as you can and make this method very clear in your mind. So hope you liked today's video. Stay tuned for more videos and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Vikas Academy and press the bell icon. Thank you.